right, so those were just my cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches. Oh my, these are so delicious. Now I'm gonna come in with my 16-ounce Cool Whip and my instant Oreo pudding, and we are gonna put all of that pudding mixture right into our Cool Whip, just like so. We're gonna mix that Cool Whip into our pudding. All right, so I mixed it all together completely, and now we are gonna put half of our mixture right on top of our cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches. This is a take on a classic, but we're adding extra Oreos, extra cookie and cream deliciousness because that is one of my favorite flavors. Once we have half of our Cool Whip pudding mixture on there, we're gonna spread it out from edge to edge. You wanna make sure that each of our ice cream sandwiches are completely covered in our delicious Oreo Cool Whip mixture. Now you could mix this up and you could do a chocolate pudding with the Cool Whip, or you could do a cheesecake pudding, whatever you like, that's what you can use. But like I said, I'm putting a cookies and cream spin on this because that's one of my favorite flavors, and I think you guys will love it too. All right, once it looks like it's from edge to edge, let's make it beautiful, and it's time for our next step. We want to add a little bit of crunch to our dessert. So we're doing some Oreo minis, and we're going to use half of this bag right on top, just like so.
Oh, I love Oreos. The mini ones are my favorite.
Oh my gosh, yeah, the mini ones are so good. Coming in with some Smucker's Hot Fudge, and we are going to get this right onto our Oreos. Okay, I thought this would be a lot smoother. I put it in the microwave. You guys should probably put it in the microwave a little bit longer, but last time I did that, it exploded in the microwave, so I can't win on this one. Once we have our jar of fudge on there, we're gonna grab a big spatula and kind of just flatten out that fudge so that it gets, mixed in with those mini Oreos. It's okay if the Cool Whip comes up a little bit too, because this is all gonna taste so amazing together. Look at that delicious fudgy layer. I mean, you cannot be mad at that. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna add another layer of our cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches right on top of that hot fudge Oreo combo. Oh my, okay, let's quickly get these on here before they melt. Little second half of our first split ice cream sandwich for right there. We're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our Cool Whip Oreo mixture right on top of our last layer of ice cream sandwiches. We wanna make sure that this top layer looks nice and pretty and full, so we're gonna get all of that Cool Whip mixture out so that we get a good layer to cover these sandwiches. Okay, let's spread this. It's probably gonna be a thin layer, but it's gonna be so good and so worth the extra effort to get it spread out across these sandwiches. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm happy with that. We're gonna instantly go in with the rest of our mini Oreos to add more crunch. We're gonna use the rest of this bag. It's just gonna make it look good. People will know exactly what they're getting into because there's mini Oreos right on top. Gonna spread them out just a little bit better so that they're more evenly distributed, but I am happy with that. Now I'm gonna come in with some chocolate syrup and just do a light drizzle on top of this entire 13x9 ice cream delight goodness. This is so great for a kid's birthday party, for a summer pool party, whatever you wanna make it for, kids will love it. And of course, we need to add some color to this. People eat with their eyes first, so we're gonna add some rainbow sprinkles. It's the perfect sundae topping. It's a perfect topping for this dessert. I mean, look how much fun this brings the dessert. Can't be mad at that. All right, now we're just gonna pop this in the freezer to let it reharden for about 1 hour. All right, this is ready to enjoy. I'm so excited. The perfect dessert for summer. You cannot tell me otherwise. Get a good slice. Got the ice cream sandwiches, the pudding Cool Whip mixture. What is not to love? Look amazing. The ice cream. Oh, and don't forget we have mini Oreos in the center of it for a nice crunch. I'm way too excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's slipping away from me.
Is it good?
I'm gonna want this for all my birthdays.
Okay, good to know.